Okay guys, Jason here with Atlas Travel Productions. Atlas Travel Productions, I say it again. We're in La Petite, Venise in Colmar, France. We're here for the Christmas markets. And as you can see, this is a very, very popular spot with tourists. It's also one of the most beautiful places in all of Colmar. You can see the different illuminations. We just had dinner at this cozy chalet restaurant here. Right there with the Santa Claus. That was the restaurant that Kristen is still there eating now. You can see the boat. Colmar reminds me of Bruges, Belgium, with the canals and the boats. We're going to walk over here to the Christmas market. Guys, I've said it many times, one of the best Christmas markets in all of Europe, Colmar. It's really the layout. It's just the best I've seen. This little market here has got a lot of great booths. Let's see what we can go find. This is fun for the kids. This is the horse ride. Sebastian, my son, did this when he was 3, which was 7 years ago. And now we're in the Christmas market. You can see, look at the gingerbread cookie there. Look at, there's a lot of silver lining going on here. This booth looks intriguing. I saw some really nice pieces here.